Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beard's Diaries. So today we're going to be going a little more aggressive. The reason being I have a physique competition coming up, so I want to go a bit shorter up top so I take the distraction away from my hair and focus it more on my physique, hopefully. Also, I recently ordered a number 3 attachment, so that's gonna make things a whole lot easier when it comes to the gradual fade, because I'm gonna be using a 2 around the ears, and then I'm gonna be using a 3 up top, and then I'm going to, I'm gonna keep up front a little longer because I have a longer face, so it's gonna keep some shape to it. Okay, here we go. Oh, I almost forgot to say, as always, I'm also going to be trimming up the beard and styling. Here we go. There we have it. So we did go a little more aggressive today as far as the length up top, because I do have that competition coming up. So I did a 2 on the side and a 3 on top. And then I just barely lifted up my fingers a tad and took off some excess on the bangs, because again, I have more of an oval shaped face. Yeah, there we go. And being able to comb my bangs to the side kind of puts some contour into my face and breaks it up so it's not as long. I read that somewhere. Yeah. Anyways, I hope that you found this video useful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.